Civil servants continue to be the backbone of government, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep Jamaica running. To recognize their outstanding contribution to nation building since 1992, the third week of November has been designated Civil Service Week. In 2014, public sector workers focused on the theme Public Sector Advancement through Partnership and Collaboration.
We will survive in this world of competition.
Civil Service Week is being celebrated at a time when public sector transformation plans are advancing. But it's not about mass redundancies. In fact, one of the largest trade unions, the Jamaica Civil Service Association, says it's not anticipating any major dislocation as a result of the public sector modernization process now underway. This is because government's ongoing program of attrition has already eliminated about 5,000 posts from the public sector.
When persons reach their natural age of retirement and their positions become vacant, they are not automatically filled. A process is entered in to determine if the position is still relevant to the service. And if the position is not relevant to the service, then it is not pursued for filling.
Policymakers have also declared that the public sector modernization process is more about reducing bureaucracy and creating a Jamaica that's more business and customer friendly.
Transformation must also involve a positive attitude towards quality and timely service delivery, and productivity must be at a constantly high level across the service. As we reflect on the civil service, let us also review our standards and quality of service in meeting the needs of the public in Jamaica as well as the public overseas through our various missions. This transformation requires us to have greater impact in serving our clients, while at the same time reducing costs, optimizing efficiency, and ensuring value for the available resources.
And diligent public sector workers have been doing just that. To recognize their contribution to nation building, there was a number of events to mark Civil Service Week 2014, beginning with a church service at the Emmanuel Apostolic Church.
When he comes, I shall be like. I can hardly wait when he comes. I shall be like him. Everybody say, we're gonna be like him, yeah. Like him.
Ministries, departments, and agencies of government also showcased their products and services at an expo at the Emancipation Park in St. Andrew. Patrons explored a number of booths and learned more about the services available in the public sector.
The government and people of Jamaica recognize the stellar contributions of public sector workers. And while your remuneration packages may not be at the level deserving of public officers, the government will continue to partner with you through your workers' leadership to identify relief to all of the challenges that we face. I, Horace Washington Daly, therefore take this opportunity to commend all the 2014 Long Service awardees and to encourage you to continue to give of your best as together we pursue the advancement of our country.
And a grateful nation said thanks to 393 outstanding public sector workers at the Jamaica Civil Service Long Service Awards at King's House. Recipients have served in different capacities for 25 years and over.
Mr. Evan Garfield Thompson.
I feel honored, I feel appreciated. I just want to say to all public servants that the sacrifice that has been made for the country, Jamaica, has been tremendous. Not many of us, or many of us were in support of it, but many of us were also not in support of this wage restraint. But it proved to have been useful, beneficial to our country, and of course we are seeing the fruit of it, that we are pulling forward in a positive way as a country.
We are striving for better public customer service and putting the right fit into position so we become a more efficient and effective body. And I really applaud that move.
Awardees also had some advice for their fellow civil servants.
Work hard, work well, serve hard, and do whatever you're doing to the best of your ability.
Do your work, whatever your job is. Do it, enjoy doing it.
Another highlight of Civil Service Week was the announcement of the Civil Servant of the Year. The 2014 award went to Sean Barrow, a senior customs officer at Jamaica Customs who plans to do even more to serve his fellow citizens.
I look forward to the opportunities that lie ahead and also the challenges that may come, but with God all things are possible. I hope to really make a difference in the lives of people.
Public sector workers giving their best to keep the wheels of government turning, determined to advance the public sector through partnership and collaboration.